What if the most powerful response isn't revenge at all? What if the greatest move you can make is no reaction, no seeking closure, no proving a point, no chasing? The moment you choose silence, you become untouchable. When she walks away as if you never mattered, she expects something from you, a reaction, anger, desperation, maybe a late-night text saying you miss her. That's the pattern she's used to. It's what every other man does. But the one who does nothing, the one who simply vanishes without a word, becomes unforgettable. Silence is unsettling. It forces the mind to fill in the blanks. Right now, she believes she knows you. She assumes you'll break, that it's only a matter of time before you reach out. She's comfortable thinking she still holds the power. But when that text never comes, when you don't fight for her, when you disappear without resistance, that's when the cracks begin to show. Doubt creeps in. Did I misjudge him? Did I mean so little? Has he already moved on? The pain of losing you will hit her harder than any words ever could. Not because you begged, not because you tried to convince her to stay, but because you didn't. Because your silence speaks volumes. A man who chases appears weak. A man who walks away radiates strength. And strength lingers. This isn't just about heartbreak, it's about transformation. The moment you stop seeking validation from others is the moment you reclaim your own power. You're not trying to win her back. You're not trying to make her jealous. You're simply becoming the man you were always meant to be. And in that process, she loses far more than you ever did. If you're done being predictable, if you're ready to embrace true power, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment below. I control my silence. My silence controls them. Now, let's begin. Number 1. The trap. Why most men fail here. This is where the weak fall apart. The moment she walks away, panic sets in. The fear of loss takes over, making men act out of desperation, and nothing kills respect faster than desperation. When she left, she wasn't expecting you to disappear. She assumed you'd chase, demand an explanation, or fight for her attention, and that's the trap. Most men walk straight into it, believing that if they just reach out, remind her of the good times, or prove how much they care, she'll come back. But this mindset is built on weakness. Here's the reality. Her decision was made before she left. By the time she walked away, she had already convinced herself that you weren't worth staying for. She planned her exit, and if you chase now, you only confirm her belief. Attraction can't be negotiated. The moment you try to reason with her, you lose. She doesn't want explanations. She doesn't want convincing. And she definitely doesn't want to feel like she's doing you a favor by staying. She wants what she can't have. That's human nature. We value what is rare. The second you become emotionally, mentally, and physically abundant, the power shifts. But if you beg, if you try to remind her of what you had, she will see you as nothing more than an option she's already outgrown. That's not you. You are not an option. You are the loss she never saw coming. You are the silence that lingers in her mind when she realizes you never reached out. Because nothing is more unsettling than expecting a reaction and getting nothing. If you're done chasing ghosts, if you're ready to reclaim your power, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment below. I do not chase. I attract. Number 2. The pivot, turning pain into power. This is the turning point, the moment everything shifts. Heartbreak isn't a curse, it's fuel. Pain is energy, and you have a choice. Let it break you or use it to forge yourself into something unstoppable. The difference lies in how you channel it. Most men stay trapped in a cycle of obsession, checking her social media, wondering what she's doing, replaying old memories like a broken record. They allow the pain to consume them, keeping them stuck in the past. But a man who understands power takes a different path. He doesn't run from pain. He doesn't numb it with distractions. He faces it head-on and lets it refine him. Look in the mirror. The version of you drowning in loss, questioning his worth, that's not who you're meant to be. That's just the starting point of something greater. But first you must detach, emotionally, mentally, physically. She is no longer your focus. You are. Your energy is no longer wasted on someone who walked away. It is redirected toward building, evolving, and becoming so powerful that her absence becomes irrelevant. Want to know when regret sets in? It's when she sees you thriving without her. When she realizes the man she left isn't the man she would get back. Because while she was busy moving on, you were busy becoming untouchable. This is the pivot. This is where you rise. If you're done living in the past, if you're ready to evolve into your highest self, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment below. Pain makes me powerful. Number 3. The Vanishing Act. Mastering the art of silence. Nothing is more powerful than silence. It is a weapon, a statement, and a test of control. When a woman leaves, she expects one thing above all: a reaction. She anticipates your pain, your desperation, your attempts to win her back. That's what she's prepared for. But when you do nothing, when you don't text, don't watch her stories, don't like her posts, when you vanish completely, it disrupts her reality. Suddenly, she has no proof that you're suffering. Suddenly, she has to wonder, why hasn't he reached out? Is he over me already? Did I make a mistake? Silence is psychological warfare. It forces her to fill in the blanks, and the human mind always assumes the worst. She starts imagining things far more powerful than any words you could say. Maybe you found someone better. Maybe you never cared as much as she thought. Maybe she misjudged you completely. This is why you don't break. This is why you don't send that "I miss you" text. Every time you resist the urge to react, you reclaim another piece of your power. Because the moment you stay silent, you become a mystery. And mystery creates attraction. You are not predictable. You are not desperate. You are not weak. You are the ghost she never expected to haunt her. If you're done explaining yourself, if you're ready to master the power of silence, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment below. My silence speaks louder than words. Number 4. The fall. The moment she walks away. And just like that, she's gone. You never imagined it would end this way. Maybe she had been distant for a while, maybe you ignored the signs, or maybe it all happened in an instant. One moment she was yours and the next she belonged to someone else. The pain is overwhelming, a suffocating mix of anger, confusion, and disbelief. Your mind loops the same relentless questions. Why? Why did she leave? Was I not enough? How did everything fall apart so fast? This is the moment where most men break. This is where they spiral, searching for answers, sending desperate texts, making emotional calls, pouring out late-night messages filled with regret. But what they don't realize is that every attempt to pull her back only pushes her further away. Neediness repels. It signals dependence. And dependence is the opposite of attraction. The more you grasp, the faster she slips away. This is the moment you must grasp a fundamental truth. Pain is just information. It's not your enemy. It's not here to destroy you. It's here to wake you up. Every powerful transformation begins with suffering. Every strong man you admire has been broken before, left in the cold, abandoned, underestimated. But what separates the weak from the strong is how they respond. You have two choices: drown in self-pity or rise from the fire as someone she never saw coming. You don't chase, you don't beg, you don't explain yourself. You accept the pain, you embrace it, and then you use it to forge yourself into something indestructible. If you're done suffering in silence, if you're ready to turn your pain into power, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment below. Pain fuels my transformation. Number 5. The Phoenix. Rebuilding from the ashes. This is where legends are made. This is where you stop thinking about her and start thinking about you. She left? Good. That was the spark. Now you rise, not to get her back, not to prove a point, but because this pain has revealed something powerful. You were never meant to stay the same. Most men stay stuck in grief. They waste months, sometimes years, reliving a moment that's already gone. But the ones who become untouchable, they use heartbreak as fuel. They level up, physically, mentally, financially, every single day. They become a version of themselves their past self wouldn't even recognize. Hit the gym, upgrade your mind, build your empire. Every hour spent thinking about her is an hour wasted. An hour that could have been spent forging a life so great that one day, you'll look back and laugh. Because here's the truth. The best revenge is never revenge. The best revenge is transformation. And when she sees it, when she stumbles across you months from now unbothered, stronger, moving in ways she never expected, that's when she feels it. The regret, the doubt, the realization that the man she left no longer exists. You are not the same. You have burned the old version of yourself to the ground, and from the ashes, you rise. If you're done waiting, if you're ready to become unstoppable, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment below. I rise from the ashes stronger than ever. Number 6. The Stoic choice, the ultimate power move. Now, the power is in your hands. The moment she reaches out, the moment she tries to slide back into your world, you have a choice. And this is where most men fail. They think the goal was always to get her back, to finally hear those words. I miss you. I made a mistake. I want you again. But here's the truth. If you've truly evolved, you don't even want her anymore. Not out of pride, not out of resentment, but because the man you are now, the man who rebuilt himself from the ground up, would never settle for someone who walked away. She's not reaching out because she loves you. She's reaching out because she lost control over you, because the emotional grip she once had is gone. And now, you're an enigma. She doesn't understand you anymore, and that burns her. But listen carefully. This is the moment that defines you. If you let her back in too easily, if you reward her for leaving, you undo everything you've built. The highest power move isn't revenge. It isn't playing games. It isn't proving a point. It's choosing yourself so completely that she becomes irrelevant. Nope. You are not an option. You are not a second choice. You are the lesson she had to learn the hard way. If you're done settling for less than you deserve, if you're ready to be the man who walks away first, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment below. I choose myself. Number 7. The conclusion, becoming an untouchable man. This is it, the final step, the moment you realize you were never losing her. She was losing you, because the truth is, she didn't walk away from you. She walked away from the old version of you, the one who placed her above himself, the one who craved her validation, the one who didn't yet understand his own worth. But that man, he's gone, burned away in the fire of transformation. And what remains? An untouchable man. A man who does not chase. A man who does not beg. A man who does not break. A man who stands so firmly in his own power that nothing, not her, not heartbreak, not rejection, can shake him. Because this was never about getting her back. This was never about proving anything to her. This was always about proving everything to yourself. That you are whole on your own. That you are strong, disciplined, and in control. That no one, not her, not anyone, gets to determine your worth. And now, she's just a fragment of the past, a memory, a lesson learned. Because the moment you let go, the moment you truly detach, the moment you realize you never needed her to begin with, that is the moment you become free. Nope. You are not broken. You are not bitter. You are untouchable. If you're done living for others, if you're ready to step into your highest self, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment below. I am untouchable. Outro, becoming unshakable. And that is how you win. Not by playing games, not by seeking revenge, but by becoming so unshakable, so focused, so powerful, that nothing from your past can touch you. This journey was never about her. It was always about you, about stepping into the kind of man who commands respect, who radiates strength, who never waits for someone who walked away. Because in the end, the man who holds all the power is the one who needs nothing from anyone. Not her, not validation, not approval. Just himself. If this message hit you where it needed to, if you're ready to become the kind of man who cannot be broken, do it now. Hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and drop a final comment below. I am the prize. I am the power. Stay strong, stay stoic, and never forget who you are.